Hello and welcome to Goa 365's News Now. I am Subhashish and these are the headlines. With no surgeon and defunct lifts, Ponda sub-district turns into a nightmare for patients and senior citizens. Many forced to go to GMC for treatment. Foreign tourist has lucky escape after bull attacks her at Banauli Beach. The woman was on a walk along Banauli Beach. Changing winds clear lingering clouds, making way for clear skies. Temperatures to remain relatively high for the next 2 days. And now for the news in detail. The Ponda Sub-District Hospital has been running with broken down elevators for months, even as patients, senior citizens are forced to use stairs. Out of 7 lifts, only 2 are currently operational. Even worse is the fact that the hospital has been lacking a surgeon for almost a year now, resulting in patients having to go to GMC. Here's Krishna Naik with a special report.
आम्ही ID हॉस्पिटल म्हणजे सब डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटल फोंड्या हांगा आसात आणि हांगाचे प्रॉब्लेम जे आसा लोक प्रॉब्लेम करतात ते प्रॉब्लेम एक म्हटल्यार पयली लिफ्ट ना हांगा 7 लिफ्ट आहेत 7 लिफ्ट फक्त 2च लिफ्ट चलता आणि एक लिफ्ट चलता ती पेशंटां व्हरपाची फर्स्ट फ्लोराचे परत सकयल देवना सकयल येवपाक तांकां परत मेळना लोकांक इतले प्रॉब्लेम जाता की जे जाणटे मनशां आसा सिनियर सिटीजन आसा तांकां चलून येवपाक इतले प्रॉब्लेम जाता आमी पळयल्या आज इतले प्रॉब्लेम ते फेस करतात तशें दुसरे आमी जेन्ना आमी MS वचून मेळ्ळे ते MS म्हणटा की जे हांगा जी डेव्हलप PMचे जे मेंटेनन्स वर्क करपा जाय ते PWN करपा जाय आपल्यान फक्त ताका लेटर बरयला आनी आपल्यान जे सांगलां आतां पळोवया केन्ना जातलें तें कित्याक हे जे लिफ्ट आतां 2-3 म्हयने जाल्यार लिफ्ट चलकच ना लोकांनी करप कितें दुसरें हांगा डॉक्टर सर्जन डॉक्टर ना ते म्हणटा आपल्यान ऑलरेडी बरयलां लेटर बरयलां केन्ना येतले लोकांचो प्रश्न आहा केन्ना येतले आनी लोकांक फेसिलिटी केन्ना मेळटली हांगा तुमी पळयात हांगा जे पॅथॉलॉजी आसा पॅथॉलॉजी ते सारकें चलना हांगा भायर पॅथॉलॉजी आसा जे स्कॅन जे मशीन जे आसा जे मशीन तेजे बोर्ड हांगा भायर लायिल्ले आसा पूण हांगा कांयच ना कित्याक ना कित्या खातीर ना अशे लोकांचे प्रश्न आसा
Yeah, surgeon is vacant for a long time and we have already written to our higher ups regarding that.
And what about madam, the lift is not working?
Yeah, the maintenance of the lift is now handed over to Public Works Department. So it is in process. We have already written to them and they are doing the procedure. It is at Public Works Department.
Since not operating lift.
No, lift is working. It is not that it is not working.
Out of seven, only 2 lifts are working.
Because it is out of AMC. It is out of AMC. So for AMC now, we have already applied for AMC to the Public Works Department. So it is in process.
हांगा 7 लिफ्टी आहे टोटल तर 2 चलता फक्त आणि जो डिसेबल्ड लोकांक आसा अपंग लोकांक ती बंद आसा आनी सगळ्याक चौकशी करून वयर सगळ्याक भोवून आयल्या आमी MSक मेळून आसा ते MSक आमी डायरेक्ट उलोवन आयल्या ती म्हणटा आमी लेटर धाडला पूण 9 म्हयने जाले आज एक भुरगो जातलो जन्म येतलो आशिल्लो 9 म्हयने जाले अजून हांगा सिटी स्कॅन ना आनी कांयच ना हांगा मेन म्हटल्यार MRI जाय आशिल्ल्या तोय जायना तर आमी तुमी सरकार आमच्या दारी म्हणटा आमची लोकांची वाटमारी जाल्ली आसा आनी परत GMCच्या दारी सरकार दार आमी परत GMCच्या दारी कित्याक तें म्हाका सांगचें लोकांनी हांगा येवन बांबोळ्यो वचपाचें तें केन्ना स्टॉप जातलें तेन्ना आमी जाणटी बायलां देंवता ती पळयल्या चडटा ती पळयल्या तें आमच्यान पळोवपाक जायना
हांगा 4 मिनिस्टर आसा म्हणटा आनी येना म्हणटा कित्याक लागून येना
ते तांकां विचारचें पडटलें कित्याक येना ते 4य मंत्री येना ते इलेक्शना टायमार येतले हांव सांग तुका इलेक्शना टायमार एक आतां MP इलेक्शन आसा तेन्ना येतले ते पळोवपाक दौरो करतशें दिसता म्हाका आशा आसा म्हाका केन्ना तरी येतले अशी म्हाका हें आसा बाब सुदीन ढवळीकार बाब गोविंद गावडे बाब शिरोडकार आमचो फोंडेचो लाडको रवी नायक तुमचे कडेन मागणी आसा विराज सप्रेची एकदां तरी हॉस्पिटलाक दिवचे जाय जाल्यार गाडी हांव धाडटा तुमचे कडेन येवपा जाल्यार गाडी हांव धाडटा मातशें हांगेन पळोवचें
Krishna Naik, Subhashish Kovekar and Nikhil Jalmi for Goa 365.
A bull attacked a foreign tourist on Banauli Beach this morning. The woman, who was left with leg and head injuries from the attack, is currently being treated at the district hospital. Here's the full story from our reporter Ramesh Naik Raut.
आज आम्ही आसात ते बाणावले बीचार आसात आणि या बाणावले बीचाचेर आज एक इन्सिडेंट जाले कडेन आसा तो म्हणजे जाल्यार एक बैलान एक फॉरेनर लेडी आसा एका सिंग मारून सिरियसली इंजर्ड ती लेडी जाले कडेन आसा ती सद्याक ऑस्पिशियो हॉस्पिटलांत सद्याक वेले कडेन आसा आनी त्याच बरोबर आमी हेचे पयलीं सुद्दां तुमकां दाखयले कडेन आसा की कितली गोरू जी आसात ही ह्या बिचार उरतात ह्याच न्हू कोलवा बिचाचेर सेडनामाती बिचाचेर सगळे बिचाचेर जे आसात हे गोरू म्हणटे आसात आतां ह्या गोरवां खातीर ह्या फॉरेनर ह्या ट्युरिस्ट येतात हांकां आतां कितलोसो त्रास जाले कडेन आसा आतां हो त्रास जाले कडेन आसा हो सांगपाची कोणा तो प्रश्न पडले कडेन आसा त्याक तुमी पळय बिचाचेर कितली वॉकर्स आसात कितली घनसाबैल घेवन येतात कितें कितें आसा हेजेर कंट्रोल कांयच ना कोणी पळोवपाचें म्हणटाले हांगा कांयच ना सगळें क्लियर आसा बरें आसा म्हणून पण आमी तुमकां दाखयतात की कितलीशीं वॉकर्सां ह्या बिचाचेर आसात ह्या बिचाचेर घनसाबैल घेवन येतात तेय तुमकां आमी दाखयतात आनी हेजो त्रास जो आसा हो अशें करून जाता.
रमेश नायक राउत, सृष्टी थानेकर and Omkar Deshprabhu for Goa 365.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. The International Court of Justice has begun hearing a case brought by South Africa against Israel, alleging that the country has committed genocide in Gaza. This marks the first time that the ICJ has held a hearing on this matter.
South Africa's case accuses Israel of violating international law and committing serious human rights violations. The ICJ will consider whether Israel's actions constitute genocide under the Genocide Convention. Israel has denied the allegations, arguing that its actions are necessary for self-defense and that the case is politically motivated. The International Court of Justice comprises of 15 judges elected by the United Nations General Assembly and the UN Security Council. Each party can appoint an ad hoc judge if their country is not represented. At the hearing, both sides will present their arguments and the 17 judges will preside over the proceedings. No witnesses will be called and questions can be answered in writing later. A decision on emergency measures is expected soon, but a ruling on the genocide allegations could take years. ICJ's decisions are final and binding, but the court has no means of enforcement. However, countries generally comply to maintain their international standings. The outcome of this case is expected to have significant implications for the Israel-Palestine conflict. Manish Parab and Sangeeta Oli for Goa 365.
We will take another short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. The winds changing direction overnight cleared lingering clouds, making way for sunny skies on Thursday. Temperatures were in the mid-30s most places. Panjim and Vasco saw the highs reach 35, while places further inland like Old Goa peaked at 34.
Rain has ended and temperatures will be above normal for the next 2 days. The high will reach 33 in the north and south as well. Under clear skies, the afternoon will get very hot, that is between 12 and 3. Sensitive folk should stay indoors because the risk of suffering dehydration or a heat stroke is very high. The heat will ease up by evening, lows are forecast as 23, but a lack of cloud cover might allow for values to slip further. Dry weather returns, temperatures to be above normal for next 2 days. Mainly clear skies expected on Friday and Saturday. Haze and light fog expected on 12th. Commuters to stay alert. Maximum and minimum temperatures on Friday 33 degrees Celsius and 23 degrees Celsius respectively. No alerts issued for boat owners along Goa coast. Bureau Report, Goa 365 with inputs from IMD.
And with that, we have come to the end of this news bulletin. For more news and updates, log on to our website www.goa365.tv. You can also follow us on Facebook and YouTube at Goa 365 TV. Until next time, take care, stay safe and keep watching Goa 365.